Today I will be launching a coin and then dumping it. Pump, pump, pump. $1.1 million. And if I check my profits in 3, 2, 1. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how to pull. And bro, it's pretty simple. Basically, all we do is we launch coins, we wait for buyers to buy inside, and then we dump them, and we make a shit ton of money. Because bro, I'm telling you guys, it's untapped. 99% of people are not even doing this because, you know, they don't think it actually works. But trust me bro, it works. Okay, like if I click on a random ass coin like this one right here, it's the same one, whoops. If I click on a random coin, boom, it just got rug pulled to 0 and it got dumped. Okay, if I click on another coin, you know, just fucking any coin, boom, it went to 0. Oh my god, this one got, yo. Now let me tell you guys the truth. The people who are actually making the most amount of money with meme coins are the people who are creating and launching these coins, like you, like me, and you potentially. Okay, all we do is, like I said, we create the coins, we pump, and then we dump. It's that simple. Now, the reason why launching coins is way better than trading them is because by launching your own coins, okay, you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is create and wait and make money and then rinse and repeat. But if you're trading meme coins, bro, let's say you buy here, 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 and here, and you sell like here a bit, you know, well, you could lose your money at any given time. It's all about the creator, what he does with the coin, okay? So, bro, the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be launching coins and you have to stop trading them, okay? That's the whole point of the video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how to launch one coin and then make some money, obviously. So you guys have to keep watching if you're tired of being broke. But anyways, now first of all, to create your own coin, you want to have a good idea for your coin, so a narrative. Now I like to use the normal Google search engine. Why? Because you get all the latest news. For example, Los Angeles has a curfew now because of the fucking I don't know what's going on over there, the immigration, like the protests, right? Now this can be a good way to get narratives, right? And they will work and they will make you money if you make the coin right, which I will show you guys exactly how to do into this video. And the second way is actually using Twitter. If you guys didn't know, Twitter is a good place for meme coins and for the crypto market in general, okay? Because Elon Musk and Trump are like influencing like the Twitter for crypto, right? But anyways, this, for example, this one right here is a good example. Now there are Democrats who are, okay, this could be good. This could be good. It's basically like protests at Los Angeles. This could be a good narrative to make a coin on. Canada, we don't care about that. Okay, this one right here could be a good one because it has 400,000 views and there's like a fire, so that could be good too. Oh, what the fuck is going on? LAPD, yo, this could be a good one too. 4.7 million views, and this, yo, the police officers are assaulting the citizens. This could be really good. Okay, also, okay, just, okay, these are all good narratives, okay? You have to start right now because, bro, there's a bunch of stuff going on in the world that you could make money off of, okay? Like, I'm gonna do this one, for example. First of all, take a screenshot of what's going on in the video for the PFP of your meme coin. By the way, my bad if I'm talking fast. I'm trying to go through the point the fastest way as possible. Now, to make your own coin, I would highly advise you to use CreateTokens.fun because it's the only launchpad website that actually works on YouTube. Everybody else is scamming, obviously, and thousands of people are using this website. Okay, as you can see, CreateTokens.fun is in the name. Create tokens, you know. No coding required and super fast. You even have a FAQ and you even have like some fucking step-by-step guide if you are confused about how to make a coin. Now, you could either make a coin manually here, or you can copy coins that are already trending and make some money really quick by copying coins, right? But we're gonna make a coin from scratch. So token name, bridge protests, token symbol BP for bridge protests, and token name, I like to put the screenshot. Next, token decimals, keep that to 9, supply 1 billion, description, I like to just copy the fucking caption, right? It's that simple. You don't need to overcomplicate stuff. Next, then for the socials, I like to copy like the website link, you know, the Twitter link, copy here. You don't have a website, no Telegram, no Discord. You could make a Telegram for the coin, but it's because since you're making the coin based off of news, you don't really need like a community. Create your information, keep that off, but if you want to max out your stats and get way more buyers, you can put that on. Authorities, keep these all selected, do not play with them, otherwise nobody is gonna buy your coin. If you cheap out, you won't make any profits, okay? Now it's time to create the coin, okay? So if you want to see me make a coin, launch this coin specifically live and make some money, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next video. Stay tuned and now bye.